Greenland sharks swim around the ocean for up to 400 years and don't reach sexual maturity until they are 150 years old. If an alien 65 million light years away is looking at us through a telescope right now, he'll be looking at dinosaurs. The middle finger originated in ancient Greece as a symbol for anal intercourse. To increase sales, some clothing stores use mirrors with curved glass that makes people look taller and thinner. Shakuntala Devi had broke a world record when she multiplied two 13-digit numbers and calculated the solution of the 26 digits in just 28 seconds. The small piece of metal between the pencil and the eraser is called ferrule. An elderly couple refused to sign an agreement allowing their house to be demolished, so a road was built around the house. The Kailash temple was carved out of one single rock. Sir Isaac Newton hated his mother and stepfather. He even threatened to kill them with fire. Between 1950 and 1960, Las Vegas offered atomic tourism, in which guests could watch atomic bombs being tested in the desert as a form of entertainment. According to paranormal experts, if you saw someone unfamiliar in your dreams, it is actually the ghost watching while you sleep. NASA is building a robot to explore Jupiter's moon, Europa, from underneath its icy shell. Indian food and their English names: samosa, risol. A 13-year-old boy in Florida was once arrested for excessive farting in school. The wooden church in Kizhi Island, Russia, built without a single nail 300 years ago. The soft soil that caused the Leaning Tower of Pisa to tilt has protected it from at least 4 strong earthquakes. Eating chocolates while studying helps the brain retain new information easily. Popularized in England, these wavy walls actually use fewer bricks than a straight wall. This is the world's longest bike, which is 35.79 meter long. The highest wave ever surfed reached a height of 24.3 meter. The word tragedy comes from an ancient Greek word meaning goat song. Music has the ability to repair brain damage as well as return lost memories. This is how the sun looks when you take pictures at the same time and the same place every week for a year. This is called an NLMA. America's first bank robbery of $1,62,821. The thief was caught because he deposited the money back into the same bank. In 1986, a French woman studied for months so she could learn how to fly a helicopter. Then she rented one. flew it over a prison and grabbed her husband, a convicted bank robber, from the prison's roof. In the 50-plus year history of the Japanese bullet train system, carrying over 10 billion passengers, there has been not a single passenger fatality or injury due to train accidents. The investigation on it is still going on. Does this indicate the existence of aliens? Study reveals that after you die, you're conscious long enough to actually know you're dead. Iranian teen who underwent 50 surgeries and dropped to 40 kg in catastrophic bid to look like Angelina Jolie. After being kicked by a driver, a stray dog returned with a bunch of his friends and proceeded to trash the car by chewing up the fenders and wipers. 97% of people type in words to Google just to see if they spelled it right. Few days ago, a strange mysterious monolith has been discovered in Uttar Desert and it suddenly disappears. Another one pops up near Romania Fort just after first one's disappearance. If you are having Idea SIM card and want 1GB free data, just give a missed call at 121366. 1GB data will be credited into your account. There is a place in Bengaigaon, Assam, where river Champavati meets Brahmaputra and the scene represents our India map. A snail can glide over sharp edge of a knife or a razor without harming itself. Couple paid around USD 95000 to reveal the gender of child on Burj Khalifa, Dubai. When asked online to confirm I am not a robot, if you long press on the tick box and release, you will not be asked to complete the click the referred image to proceed CAPTCHA. A restaurant manager at Disneyland Paris killed himself in 2010 and scratched a message on a wall saying, which translates as I don't want to work for. Graphic designer Caroline Davidson was paid only $35 to design the logo of Nike in 1971. There is a town in Alaska where almost everyone lives and works under one roof. A single 14-story high-rise is home to most of the town's residents as well as its post office, grocery stores, health clinics.